Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So before buying anything on AliExpress, it is important to choose a trusted seller. In this video, I'll show you how to choose best seller and trusted stores on AliExpress. First, open the AliExpress app and make sure that you are logged in with your account. You can search the product through the search bar with different categories given within the Discover More section or through the sections within the home page. Once you find the product, tap on it, where it will redirect you to the product page. Now make sure to scroll down to the store section. Just below the store name, you will see a small preview showing store rating and number of items sold. This preview may also not be available for some stores. And on the right side of the store section, tap Visit Store. This will redirect you to the seller storage page inside AliExpress. At the top of the storage page, you will see percentage details like store rating, communication, and positive reviews. This percentage gives you a quick idea of how reliable the seller is. Next to this rating information, on the right side there is a greater than icon. Tap on it, where it will redirect you to the seller information page. Inside the seller information page, you will find two main sections. The first section is store credibility, which shows ratings for the items as described, communication, and lastly shipping speed. The higher ratings here mean a more trustworthy seller. The second section is customer reviews. You can just scroll down to read reviews and check the reviews on specific products by scrolling through the different product page. If you like the seller, you can just come back to the main store page. Within it, tap follow. This helps you to find the store easily in the future and get updates on new products and discounts. And always make sure to check ratings, seller credibility, and customer reviews before buying, as you must not choose a product just because it's cheap. And that's how you can choose the best seller and trusted stores on AliExpress and shop safely. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.